All right. We're at the bottom, including my son who keeps moving out of frame.
We have climbed many feet, and we have come out into the open.
You're no help at all.
And something that
we're gonna go hike up there. There's apparently some neat stuff up there.
They call flat around here.
We're gonna run this whole time because hiking can be kind of dull, but turn it on here and there to give you a feel for it, and then we'll turn it back on for any birdies along the way.
All right, we're actually at the actual trail, so we're gonna get hiking in just a second. Hey, Excitement City. Yeah, a lot of this. Virginia. Southwest Virginia hiking. They have one direction, up, and switchbacks are something that happen to other people. Yup. And look at this. Up.
I find it's just more up.
Whew. Yeah. This trail's got more up than Abby, demanding attention. Huh?
I've actually purposely seen that my water is lightly.
Oh, good. A corner. Which way's it going? Which way could it possibly? Oh, up. All right, way down there is where we started. And you can almost kind of see the light spots through the trees. But we've still got up. And that is a Southwest Virginia thing. West Virginia trails tend to switch back up a mountain. Yeah, in West Virginia we have protractors, and in Virginia they have rulers. And that's how they draw out their trails. Up! You want up, I draw you straight line, you go up. Oh, look, up. All right. We have climbed many feet, and we have come out into the open in something that they call flat around here. You'd like to think that, but I think it's about to turn up.
I just caught a glimpse of the upward slope via the power line turned TikTok. Yeah, compared to before, this ain't that bad.
Yeah, but compared to what we were just on, yes. How much up can there be? Oh well. It's actually gotten a bit rocky up here. Onward.
Seems like we got some precipitation or condensation at some point.
Yeah, according to Mom, it rained this morning. Hey, guess what direction? Up. Okay, we're getting to the point where I can see the sky. I don't know how much more up it can have. I should take that back immediately. Yeah, and I've been hiking in Southwest Virginia for years. I should know you never ask the question, how much more up could it have? Because it'll have more. Of course, we are going to the highest point in Giles County. Which is a county made up of nothing but mountains and valleys. So having to go up a lot probably should not come as this huge, huge shock. Well, there's a big rock. Oh, I think I found the weird rock.
Yeah, it splits here. Goes that way, goes that way.
That I think is our trail. And that I think is your, yes, we're gonna go look at a great big rock.
One upside to all of this is that we also have a bunch of down to look forward to.
Yep, this is it. We're just seeing it from the bottom. I think the trail's gonna go up and around. Yep. That's the rock. That is cool.
Yeah. Gonna take some snappies of it.
So, yeah, there's the rock from the other side. That, I don't know if you can see it, is where we're headed eventually. Actually, we're going past that. And that is where we come. Yeah, I thought you could cut across this way. A little bit of impromptu bouldering has broken up in our hike. Okay, there's at least a path. People have been walking around here. No, wait, I see the path right down there. Okay, hold up a sec. I think going down that way takes you right to the path, but I'm curious. Well, I see a marker, and I see the path. And I see steps. Okay, now I am going to take out. What did Mom say?
You might want to do some mumble over range.
Okay, that takes us up to Bald Knob, I think, to the overlook. It's a 1/4 mile trail called Cliff Trail that goes out to Bald Knob Road, which is what we were on, that the road that went up and up and up. But steps. Someone has built steps. How nice of them. Big, tall steps.
I wonder what Neil Armstrong said to people who say the moon landing was fake.
This is going on to our YouTube channel.
I didn't realize you were still on.
I've been on and off.
Alright,
Nope. We're getting near the top and the payoff of all this. Well, that is a great question. Oh my.
still recording?
Oh yes.
Quick, think of something incredibly off the wall to say.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Now, right now, I'm thinking of something incredibly out of pocket to say out loud. While you're still recording.
That is. Oh my. That's magnificent. That was well worth the hike. And now I saw that dog coming up here and I thought it might be a little too hot for it. And I'm gonna bet. Welp. I'm actually on the overlook now. And There's a lot to overlook. Bit of a hazy day, but still neat to be here. And there's a cell tower up here, which explains why I have good signal. Of course, there's a cell tower everywhere anymore, but still lovely to be up here. Just being wonky. I think they let AI get a hold of it again. And another overlook. Oh! Old electrical tower. I didn't know what was sticking up over there at first.
Oh yeah, it's a long way.
Like, what the heck? Oh. Hey, that's a long, long way down. It's a hell of a drop.
More gentle if you climb that way. I don't plan on climbing down that because it gets a lot
Less gentle real fast.
Yeah.
On the edge. It's a hell of a drop. And look at that. Even more overlooky types. Nope, they're over there at the other overlooky type place. This place keeps paying off with additional lookouts. Oh wow. Wow. Just wow. That is really wonderful. No, it's neat the way that this is all. I'm not feeling poetic. It's just cool, man. Yeah, the breeze is magnificent up here. Magnificent, I say. That's actually, we don't get to do much like mountain climbing, even low-grade Appalachian mountain climbing. But one of the things I always love when you get to the top, that breeze. I even like the breeze on top of Mount Washington. And that breeze can get a little assault and battery. This is going to lead us, well, yeah, 3/4 of a mile that way. Wait a second. There's two trails. Okay, well, that other trail just walked around.
Yeah, good. Nothing much on it. I guess this is the road.
Yeah.
Up here on this road.
Sweating our butts off on the road does not sound fun. Ow, ow! Rock I didn't see sticking out there, toe.
Oh.
Ow. Glad I hit record right before I did that. Thank goodness that'll be on here. So anyway, that is Bald Knob. Insert joke here. Or insert a bald knob here. So I'm cutting off my wife before. See, it says bald knob. Make
Partially convinced that that's the altitude.
nah, because it's like 4,000 something feet. Oh well.
I mean, an 8 mile is 5,000 something, so.
Yeah, I didn't notice that rock bench thing.
Oh, that is cute. It's a shame it's so damaged.
Yeah, it is a shame.
This has got to be Bald Knob itself.
It is.
So, well, down is probably not going to be. Wait, how the hell? No.
Huh?
No. Something's wrong because everybody has pictures above that rock.
Maybe it's over here.
Yeah, let's keep our eyes peeled because we did something
Yeah.
off that we're not getting above that rock.
We
So,
are above the rock, but we
We-
don't have a view of the rock.
yeah,
There's
so
some, I think there's some trail that leads onto some rock. The rock's overlooking the rock.
you know what? Maybe this way.
Maybe.
Let's find out. Okay. Well, this is interesting regardless. Well, we're going the right way to get the, yeah, I could almost see it from here.
I see it too.
Okay. We're not going to miss the thing that I wanted to see. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Check this out. Oh, that is a magnificent breeze. Aha.
There it is.
All right, now I'll stop recording on this because downhill is not going to be that exciting, but that is what I wanted to get. All right, internet boy, time for some real life.
The civic grade person came by.
That's the way we came in. Oh, salt bushes.
Is that Uzi up ahead?
Uh-huh.
There might be some rain there.
Yeah, maybe now would be a good time to get off the mountain
Yeah.
and into,
Oh, rain. And Dizzy says he spotted rain.
and into an outfitter. Certainly want to get off the rocks.
Yeah. I don't know if sandstone conducts electricity or not.
Well, it does conduct slippery.
That it does. Maybe not get down those stone steps.
Yep.
Yeah, I just saw it kind of looked like a fog bank in the distance.
Yeah, I saw it too, and I think you're right. That's probably rain over there. At least it's mostly downhill from here.
Yep.
Be able to gobble up the distance in no time.
Yeah, I just didn't want to be on the rocks themselves when it.
No, I don't blame you. I don't want to be on the rocks themselves either. I don't hear any fun at all. But getting on wet, slippery rocks No fun.
Yep, and they're already kind of slick. They don't need any help. You know?
Mm-hmm. And prove your point.
And we're back down into the meadow.
Yeah.
Huh?
I think Zizzy just kind of made it a green grunt.
A green grunt.
Yes,
Sounds like a really bad superhero.
it does.
The agreeing grunt. It's okay, I guess. The agreeing grunt.
But, but yeah, I don't think that there's lightning or anything.
No, we would have heard something.
I saw a flash a while ago while we was on the rocks themselves.
Huh.
But I think it might have been just something playing on your phone
I bet that happened to me.
where your eye kind of flashes.
Yeah.
We have had the occasional eye flash and an increase in floaters. And one week Google search query, you suddenly become paranoid about your retinas.
Cancer.
Yeah, he came down. Poor
Yeah,
kid.
Yeah, I don't think it's cancer, but
Oh, anything you look up on WebMD is cancer.
yeah, I didn't go to WebMD.
Smart noise.
So the main
All right, hold up a second.
So the main fear-mongering search result was retinal detachment.
Oh,
Well, anyway, we're gonna.
it's flexed.
Yep.
Okay, keep guts down.
Try that. Actually, I kind of do that already. And we're still coming down. So we're down below the rocks now. Well, the big rocks. I mean, there's other rocks, but they're not so bouldery. And maybe I just caught a little bit of stinging nettle in the hand.
Yeah, I caught some on the way. Yeah, of course, there's no jewelweed.
No, of course not. Life could not be that convenient. To put jewelweed right where there's stinging nettle?
One place I've seen that is on the North Creek, they grow right next to each other.
Actually, there was a cave that we went to that had stinging nettle, but then it had jewelweed right there. There was a cave.
Yeah, is that the one I got the helmet headache from?
Yeah, I think that's Aiken's Cave.
Lincoln State, yeah.
Yeah, it has the jewelweed growing right next to the stinging nettle.
Yeah, came in very handy for Mike Spencer. We walked in courts right through that nettle, not knowing what it was.
Meanwhile, we're in coveralls going, what?
Alright, we've just made it past the only switchback in Southwest Virginia.
And I don't think that was meant as much as a switchback as,
Change of direction.
well, they got to that point and went, oh, no, we want to go up. This was up, but now it's not up anymore.
Yeah, go up.
Yeah, now how it just changes direction once you're with the power line right in front of you. And then it kind of just follows along the power line, more or less.
I think they drew out the original trail and then realized that they had missed the top of it and went, oh, well. We've come down all that distance, and there's still all that distance.
Yeah.
Oh, my. Yep. Southwest Virginia hiking. How do you feel about up?
And then straight back down.
Yep. Should put it on t-shirts and make it a slogan.
That's a guy from movie Up. Looking at pissed off.
Halfway up a mountain.
Yeah.
Giles County, how do you feel about Up? And then the Up guy is just sitting there.
Everyone's hauling all his gear up behind.
All right, last bit. We're at the road,
And there's a thunderstorm chasing us.
and there is a thunderstorm chasing us. So that was Bald Knob. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We heard tell that there's an outfitter down below, and there is a thunderstorm coming. So we're gonna go find out about the outfitter, which has this thing called roof. So laters. Anyway, last little wrap up bit. We're back at the car, and we stopped in at Mountain Lake Outfitters, and imagine our surprise. It turns out there's an actual outfitter to the outfitter. Now we also got some cheesy stuff, because there's a bunch of cheesy stuff. Well, we got one cheesy thing, and don't mock the bat, because the bat is wonderful and you should love the bat. But we also got,
Water purification tablets and paracord.
so I will try to put a link up if I can find one. But yeah, so that's Bald Knob, and that's our day. So laters.